This chart shows the number of homes sold each month in California. Just 21,700 new and resale home transactions closed escrow in California during September 2023. This caused home sales volume to back off 14% from the prior month. And for perspective, sales dropped 20% from a year earlier. Going forward, watch for year-over-year home sales volume to continue trailing in 2024. Without a steady rush of home sales, home prices will decline, pushing recent mortgaged home buyers underwater. In 2025 through 2026, expect a return of real estate speculators to produce a dead cat bounce in sales volume and likely stop prices from further dropping. A sustainable recovery will take off when end-user homebuyers return around 2027. This chart shows the number of home sales completed year-to-date in California. Year-to-date home sales volume continues to fall back, now 26% below a year earlier as of September 2023, and falling. Compared to 2019, the last normal year for housing before the pandemic economy took over, the 2023 annual pace of home sales volume is down 28%. With the pandemic fuel spent and gone, sales volume has effectively collapsed. Granted, sales volume saw a cyclical upturn emerge in the spring 2023 buying season, but it was feeble. Ultimately, 2023 was a year of significant weakening as the pandemic buying spree preemptively drained today's supply of home buyers. Most buyers know the math and will only buy when prices stop dropping, likely in 2026. This chart shows the number of homes listed for sale on the multiple listing service across California's major metros. MLS inventory remains thin following the historic lows reached at the end of 2021. After a brief swell in 2022, for-sale inventory in August 2023 averaged 32% below a year earlier. While inventory tapered, it was not because buyers were snapping up property. Rather, the low inventory is due to seller reluctance to list until fixed-rate mortgage rates drop and prices rise. As evidence, new listings are 30 to 35% below a year earlier across the state. Home buyers are also taking a wait-and-see approach. Their reluctance to buy outpaces seller reluctance to list. Since the market in 2024 will be firmly in the hands of buyers, real estate agents seeking a steady income in 2024 through 2025 will turn their focus to finding buyers willing and able to buy in a downturn. Further, brokers who want to continue earning a living during this drawn-out decline will shift their focus to providing services to participants still active during a recession, including servicers of real estate-owned property, investors, syndicators, and speculators, underwater homeowners and undercapitalized sellers who need to sell, and sellers willing to provide carryback financing to attract buyers.